Here is a tutorial video on how to use the score clock at Connaught Street. This is the remote that's used to control the clock, and then this is the clock up on the wall here. First off, to turn on the clock, you just press the on button, and then you wait a couple seconds until you see the score clock turns on. Once the clock is on, you're going to want to set the time, so you're going to click this button that says Set Time, and this is the only tricky part. You have to look at the time and see where the little line is, which number it's under. So right now you can see the line is under the very first number, so then you're going to just click the plus arrow, which will put 1 minute up there. So this could set it for 10 minutes when you click this button, but you just have to pay attention to where the line is. So this is set for 10 minutes. Here I'm showing if you want to move the line to the next number over, you'll just click Set Time again. And it's hard to see on the screen, but now the line is under the second number. So if you pressed a plus, a minute would add to that second digit. So now you can see since I put a minute up on the second digit, it shows 11 minutes. So the most important part is to just know which digit the line is under, and you can keep clicking Set Time for that line to move, depending on which digit you want to change. So right now the line is under the first digit, I clicked minus, I clicked it again, and that got us down to 0 minutes. For example, if you're doing a game that's 8-minute quarters, you're going to click Set Time, and you're going to click it again until the line is under the second number, and then you'll click the plus until you get up to 8 minutes. So for game time, you're going to click Time On once the game is started, and then the clock's running, and then if there's a whistle, stoppage of play, you click Time Off, and that will stop the clock. It's pretty simple to keep score. If home scores, you're going to click Home, and then click the amount of points they got. So say they scored a basket, you click it twice. Same thing, if guest scores, you're going to click Guest, and then the amount of points that they scored. To set the quarter, you're just going to click this period score button, make sure the line is under the quarter, and then you press the up and down buttons to control what quarter you're putting. So you can go up to 4 and back down if you make a mistake. To turn it off, you're just going to hold the on-off button. It takes a second, so you have to hold it down until you can see it all turns off. Okay, just to review everything. First, you're just going to click on, give it a couple seconds till it turns on. Once you can see that the clock is on, you're ready to go. To set the time, you'll press Set Time, and then you'll make sure the line goes under whatever digit you want to change. So if I'm trying to set it to 8 minutes, I would go up until I get to 8. And then once the game is started, that's how you click Start. You go Time On, and the clock starts to go. Once you need to stop it, you click Time Off, and then it will stop. To keep score, you're just going to click the team that scored, home or guest, and then you'll click the plus for however many points they scored. To set the quarter, you're going to click the period score button and then the plus, and that will put it up a quarter. To turn it off, you're just going to hold down the on-off button until everything shuts off.